There's a sequence early in the film when they have to set out across the cornfield at high speed in the truck. They're chasing something with a truck. So we found a cornfield and were able for a small fee to mow that down with a pickup truck that we rigged with a metal bumper as kind of a corn catcher.
But this sound effect is made by AI. जितने भी एग्जिस्टिंग वीडियो जनरेशन मॉडल है उनके साथ एक प्रॉब्लम थी कि वो वीडियो जनरेट कर पा रहे थे बट बिना कोई साउंड इफेक्ट्स के. सो टू ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम गूगल हैज रिलीज्ड अ रिसर्च पेपर ऑन V2A, video to audio technology that can generate sound effects by using video and text prompts, and quality of these videos is amazing. Here are some videos for you. इतना फास्ट AI प्रोग्रेस देखने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है कि साउंड डिजाइन करियर इज